Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? What if I told you that you could earn an extra $1,000 every month without quitting your job? That's right! In this video, we're diving into 5 powerful passive income ideas that can help you achieve financial freedom and build wealth over time. So, stick around, and let's explore how you can start making money while you sleep. First up on our list is real estate investing. Now you might be thinking, isn't that only for the wealthy? Well, let me tell you, investing in real estate isn't just for millionaires anymore. There are several ways to enter this market without needing a huge down payment. One popular method is through real estate crowdfunding platforms. These platforms allow you to pool your money with other investors to buy properties. You can start with as little as $500. Imagine earning rental income and your share of profits without being a landlord. If you're curious about how to find reputable crowdfunding platforms, drop a comment below, and I'll share some of my favorites. Another option within real estate is buying rental properties. This approach does require some upfront capital, but if you can secure a mortgage and find a good property, the returns can be significant. You can charge rent and over time build equity in the property. There are also tax benefits associated with owning rental properties, such as depreciation. If managing tenants sounds daunting, consider hiring a property management company. Have you ever thought about investing in real estate? What's holding you back? Let me know in the comments! Next, let's talk about dividend stocks. Investing in stocks can be intimidating, but dividend stocks provide a reliable way to earn passive income. These are shares in companies that return a portion of their profits to shareholders regularly. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can create a stream of income that grows over time. Many companies even increase their dividends annually. A common strategy is to reinvest those dividends to buy more shares, which can exponentially increase your earnings over the years. If you're unsure how to get started with investing, consider using a beginner-friendly platform that offers educational resources. Have you ever invested in stocks before? What was your experience? Let me know in the comments. The third idea is creating and selling digital products. If you have a skill or knowledge to share, why not package it into a digital product? This could be an ebook, an online course, or even printables like planners or worksheets. Once you create these products, they can sell repeatedly with little ongoing effort. Websites like Etsy, Udemy, or Teachable make it easy to market and sell your creations. Imagine waking up to sales notifications while you enjoy your morning coffee. The best part is that you can leverage social media to promote your products without spending a dime on advertising. What digital product would you want to create? Share your thoughts below! Now let's explore the world of affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. You can do this through a blog, a YouTube channel, or even social media. The best part? You don't need to create your own products. Just find products that you love and believe in. When you recommend them to your audience, you can earn money while providing value. Affiliate marketing can be highly lucrative, especially if you target a niche market and build an audience over time. Have you ever tried affiliate marketing? What was your experience? I'd love to hear your stories in the comments. Finally, let's discuss peer-to-peer lending. This is a way to earn interest by lending your money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms. You can earn higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts, and you get to choose who you lend to based on their credit ratings. It's a win-win situation. You help someone achieve their goals, and in return, you earn interest on your money. Many platforms allow you to diversify your investments by lending small amounts to multiple borrowers, which minimizes your risk. If you want more details on how to get started with peer-to-peer lending, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. Now that we've covered these 5 passive income ideas, I hope you're feeling inspired to take action. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Your support helps us reach more people who need this information. As we approach the end of this video, I want to share a powerful financial quote that could change your perspective. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. This quote serves as a reminder that it's never too late to start building your financial future. Don't let fear hold you back. Take that first step today. In closing, remember that you have the power to change your financial situation. By implementing these passive income ideas, you can start to create a life where money works for you. Imagine the freedom of financial stability, the ability to travel, or simply enjoying life without constant stress about money. It all starts with taking control of your finances and making informed decisions. I encourage you to take a moment and visualize what an extra $1,000 a month could do for you. Would it allow you to pay off debt, take a vacation, invest more for your future? The possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching. What will your first step be toward earning that extra $1,000 a month? I can't wait to hear about your goals and challenges in the comments. Together, let's embark on this journey toward financial empowerment. Until next time, take care and start your journey toward financial freedom today.